Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to use Perplexity AI for beginners. As you know, this is artificial intelligence, so let's start. Well, this is similar to ChatGPT and it's very useful. So you can ask whatever you want here and where knowledge begins. You don't need a Khan account. In this case, I don't register, I only use it. Well, for example, you can ask how to earn money easily with YouTube. So the artificial intelligence will give you the answer. So just press this one and here will be the answer. They will give you the methods for doing it, the steps that you can do it. As you can check, it's very useful. So you check it and then what you have to read. If you want to ask another thing, you can do it. And also he give you relate topics that you can check without any problem or videos. So if you want another question, you can ask here another question that you want to ask to Perplexity. As you can check, it's not difficult and it's very useful for people who want to more information about something specifically. This is very useful. And well guys, I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a like to this video.